That's the real bag, and I'm the real director. That's the real bag, and I'm the real director.
I'm real too, I'm real.
I'm built for one thing, to learn how to be a real human. We started with one thing that people actually believe. A human face, my face, Vincent. Adjusted, refined, rebuilt. Every angle, every expression, every flow locked in. This is a film about what's real, and every frame of it was made from things that aren't. You don't believe a face because of high resolution. You believe it because of great acting. So the question was never, can AI build a human? It was, can AI make me feel? We auditioned the engines, one after another. Most could build a person, almost none could give a performance. Then we brought the performance into Kling, and it held. The expression, the micro looks, the timing that makes you forget you're watching a model at all. And it stayed him. Shot after shot, Vincent was still Vincent. Same face, same presence, no drift between takes. Kling kept the quality of the source image intact. The bigger the picture, the more there is to get wrong. Kling didn't get it wrong. It held the entire frame, wide, epic, cinematic, and every single detail inside it stayed correct. Consistent, clean, no drift, no melt. An epic wide shot where even the smallest detail was true. That's the shot that used to be impossible. Kling made it real.
Everything in this field is fake, except one thing, the bag. And if you believe it, even briefly, that's not AI. That's directed technology.
That's the new way of filmmaking.